Bitcoin broke down exactly as I predicted it for the last couple of days, that this is the most likely scenario to be playing out here, even though I did not like it, but this was actually happening. So now, where is Bitcoin going now? Will we create a lower low, or will we reverse back to the upside? That is something where we're gonna have a look at today. So, and if you think that's interesting, then definitely smash up the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also activate the bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And now let's get straight into the charts here. So as I had shown you 2 days ago, Bitcoin has here multiple times repeated these ascending channels and then broke down, created here a bear flag, and then we're again here in this rising channel, broke again down, created a new bear flag like this, again was trading here in this rising channel, and then broke here yesterday again to the downside. So when we are measuring now to get an idea how low we can go here, and you see this is more or less almost the same, then we could say that we have not reached the technical target yet. So because that is quite yeah, let's call it the nicer target. That target would be around $18,100. So, and if we are looking here at the worst case scenario, we're looking here at $17,340 if this pattern would continue. So of course we would see here for quite a while some sideways chop in this rising channel again, most likely retesting $19,000, and then at some point roll over and actually go here lower. Oh, sorry, that is the target of that bear flag here. So yeah, so we could go all the way down here to $18,000 or $17,300, then go sideways chop, and then actually go here one time lower, and that would then also actually create a new a lower low on the macro structure, which I also pointed out I really don't want to see that, because that would mean that the bottom is not in, and that we could be in for way more time, under $20,000, $30,000 for the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term. So when we're looking here also on this right angle broadening wedge that has now confirmed broken to the downside on the daily chart, then also here, if we measure this like this, as it is shown here in that example, so then you see that target is even lower. This target is $13,400. I still believe that this is highly unlikely. As I mentioned it in the previous video, I don't believe that we are going that low unless we are breaking the previous low with distinct huge amounts of volume. But then we have also a lot of other problems because all our altcoin holdings, they will go to shit. They are already looking bad, but this will make it way so much worse if we go all the way down to this technical target here of this right angled broadening wedge. So what do I believe is happening here in the immediate short term? So for that, I'm here on the 1 hourly chart. So, and I had mentioned to you guys that it was not looking good for this support area, and as you can see, I was right. We broke down to the downside. So, and now this is became actually resistance, so I have to change this. The support that we are sitting at right now is $18,600, and look at this. This is not looking good. Every time when we see here a symmetrical triangle, either out of a downwards move or an upwards move here, that is a continuation pattern. So, and this continuation pattern, if we just use, yeah, I would say it's a symmetrical triangle, then a technical target would be already $18,200. If we say this is a bear pennant, so then here again we go to 17,500 approximately. So, and yeah, that is obviously really bad news for Bitcoin. But I also want to have a look here on the indicators, so what they are saying, because maybe we get then a better idea. So I'm using here, one indicator that I'm using is a market spotter. So here came not yet a new cautious buy, so which means on the 1 hourly time frame we could still see some more sideways action, yeah, for the downwards movement before we get this cautious buy here again, which would signal that this imminent short-term dump would be actually over. So, but this is for now not the case. So that is obviously not good. And the EMA ribbons, they will not look much better. Yeah, also here we just broke down here to the downside and entered this new downtrend. So a retest of the ribbon is likely close to $19,000. What I also said just a couple of minutes ago, that this might be happening, a retest around $19,000. And if we get rejected from there, then we definitely go lower. So what would I do now? So I told you guys, you can open a short if we break here down out of the support zone, remember. So congratulations to everybody who was able to take that short. You would have made insane money on this. So, but for a long position, I would still wait because I see a potential retest here of $18,600 for sure. And when we are looking here on the Fibonacci retracements, there we can also have a look how this is looking actually from the top here. So then you see here the 1.618 is at $16,443, and that could be where Bitcoin is actually heading, yeah, in the midterm at least. So, and if we go there, like I said, it's really bad because that means that is a new low, and we normally don't want to go as low as $16,443. So, but if it happens, it happens, and then we just have to wait for a higher low to confirm that the bottom is in, so that we see here then finally a reversal back to the upside into higher prices. If you want to trade here another short opportunity, wait for a break of $18,600. That's where I would open a new short position. And if you want to do that, guys, remember in the comment section and in the description there you can still grasp $4,450 on a BYBIT with my specific link, and on BitGet it's $8,000 with 15% discount on the trading fees, also with the link in the description and in the pinned comment below, guys. Take advantage of that. So now let's also quick talk about Ethereum, because on a daily time frame this is also not looking all too well. We have retested here the $1,700 level yesterday, but now we are continuing to go to the downside. So as you can see, withdrawal is already in. There is a potential head and shoulders pattern playing out here. So what you see here is a potential head and shoulders pattern playing out. So, and if we treat this as a head and shoulders pattern, if the neckline is breaking at $1,426, then Ethereum could drop all the way down to $820. So that is another short opportunity that you can get here based on my TA absolutely for free, guys. Just wait that the price comes down here and actually breaks that level with a 1 hour and or 4 hourly candle close to confirm that it's actually broken, and with a potential retest. So what I mean is, we come down here in a 1 hourly candle, for example, it closes, the next candle will retest but fail, so the candle will go up. So this will look in a candle something like this. So like I said, I'm not the best guy at drawing. Something like this. And if then this retest candle is closed like this, so then you can actually open a short, because then from that level, wherever this candle is closing, it will continue to go lower from there. So, and that's why close to the candle close is the best moment to open then a short position, to be sure. Guys, that's it already for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and let me know in the comment section if you think that head and shoulders pattern on Ethereum is actually playing out. Bye bye.